Issue is that this petitioner had been the witness in the SSC scam matter.
Yes.
SSC job scam matter. He had been a witness. That investigation is going on by the order of this coordinate bench of this court. Lordship and CBI is conducting that investigation. He had faced the interrogation. He had participated in the charge sheet. His name is there. And all these things have been recorded, whatever he had. Now, after the change of dispensation after 4th of May, the FIR has been lodged before a police station on the self-same ground that for in the lieu of getting the job, purchasing the job, he has given the money. We have given the money to him.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Item number 56.
I am for the petition in this matter.
56, I am for the statement.
This matter, my lord, CBI is a necessary party along with the state. My lord, the contention here is that the petitioner had been implicated not implicated.
When you have served.
CBI, we have attempted.
When you have served. Please take your seat. In all matters, don't rise.
My lord.
Don't stand.
State service.
Because it was filed on 17 June. Indicated that matter to be removed on 24 June. Let me see that whether service is effected or not.
The service upon the state has been completed. CBI state has been served.
How?
Well, through GP's office, my lord.
That is sufficient service.
My lord, for the purpose of
that is sufficient service.
It's not sufficient. I have not got, but there were urgency, my lord. So lordship, therefore.
So in view of urgency, only GP is to be served. Where from you find it? As per the rules.
We have to complete the service, my lord. They were the urgency. We normally file since the GP office had accepted it.
No, in that event, all matters are urgent before me, considering my determination.
Kindly consider.
Then there is no requirement to effect service of notice upon the respondent.
There is a qualitative.
All matters are urgent.
There is a qualitative distinction. This person is in custody.
There is a judgment wherein goes as his lordship then was.
Therefore, my lord,
that service is to be effected upon all the respondents. In addition thereto, it is to be served upon the learned government.
Kindly consider this aspect, my lord. There were urgency in this matter. I can satisfy on the facts.
I am telling you that all matters are urgent before me. Then all are to be served upon the government petition and we'll move the writ petition.
My lord, that is the normal practice, my lord. We normally do that, but we will do it. We'll complete it. My lord, kindly hear me for a moment, my lord. Kindly fix a date. The matter involves one issue. Issue is that this petitioner had been the witness in the SSC scam matter.
Yes.
SSC job scam matter. He had been a witness. That investigation is going on by the order of this coordinate bench of this court. Lordship and CBI is conducting that investigation. He had faced the interrogation. He had participated in the charge sheet. His name is there. And all these things have been recorded, whatever he had. Now, after the change of dispensation after 4th of May, the FIR has been lodged before a police station on the self-same ground that for in the lieu of getting the job, purchasing the job, he has given the money. We have given the money to him. But I have already made my deposition before the CBI, said that yes, I have collected the money.
Yes.
I have collected the money, I have deposited, and CBI has not made me an accused in that matter. So whether the second FIR at the instance of another agency.
Who has lodged this FIR?
This has been registered on the basis of a...
Who has lodged this complaint?
The police. The complaint has been lodged by one person called... The awardment has been made, my lord. I have...
And how it is so urgent that if it is not heard within a period of...
arrested. This man has been arrested in connection with that case, my lord.
Yes.
He has been arrested in connection with the case which has...
Petitioner.
Then
what remains?
No. Now, the thing is then, my lord, whether this FIR can still be there in view of TT Anthony.
If petitioners are already arrested, then what is the urgency?
Well, the urgency...
I could understand that if you are apprehending...
This FIR itself is not valid in the view of Supreme Court judgment in TT Anthony, my lord. TT Anthony said the second FIR on the basis of the same complaint, same facts, this cannot be maintained. It has to be either tagged with the earlier case, and so therefore it should be tagged with the CBI case. And he should be treated by the CBI. This complaint should be investigated
So
by the
therefore, you want to add CBI as party?
Let me clarify. Now, earlier, this was the stand. When there are on the same cause of action, 2 FIR is there, the second FIR should be quashed. But recently, there is a judgment of Supreme Court. It says when there is a larger conspiracy, then second FIR is also maintainable. I shall produce that judgment. If you
Well, let him array CBI as party respondent. Let the matter be heard on this point.
No, when
Whether
you are
the
saying
second
that
FIR is maintainable or not.
Lordship, this can be done by this. It's a point, my lord. So, Lordship, kindly fix it. We'll come back after.
Issue. At the time of call, learned advocate representing the petitioners prays for leave to amend the cause title and thereby array Central Bureau of Investigation with CBI as additional respondent. Next paragraph, leave is granted to the learned advocate for the petitioners to amend the cause title and array.
My lord, CBI is the party. Mr. Omaji, they said, who is the standing counsel for the CBI, he said if there is an order by the court, he will accept.
So you are praying for that CBI to be made party?
My lord, he is the party. They are not accepting my service, my lord. That is the problem, my lord. Unless the is directed. So
Which respondent?
well, the CBI is respondent number. My lord, 3, respondent number 3. Respondent number 4. 3 is the Director General. Respondent number 4 is the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Central Bureau of Investigation. The party. The service.
So then why you have not served within CBI is party?
They have not accepted I should be candid to your lordship that he went to serve to the office. But they have refused to accept.
No, why the learned government would be served? Learned advocate would be served. Let it be served upon the
Lordship, kindly,
authorities.
give me detection, I will serve of the CBI. I will go to the office and kindly pass an order to that.
At the time of call, Mr. Chatterjee, learned advocate representing the petitioners prays for accommodation to complete service of notice upon all the respondents and file affidavit of service. Let notice be served upon all the respondents and by 10 days from date and file affidavit of service on the next date. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration.
May kindly dismiss this matter. The FIR is there. But what he is doing now, citing the CBI case, he is trying to make it a shield.
Let him.
No, I have the report, my lord. I have the FIR, I have the report.
Let him serve notice, come back.
Very good. And my lord, the CBI may kindly be directed, my lord, to place a short report as to whether the allegations as contained in the FIR pertain to the education scam or not. Because education scam is of 2022.
Let affidavit.
And he has collected money till 23.
Affidavit of service be filed on the next
This is
day.
criminal.
List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on 20th July 2026. Next.